Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with USAA for military insurance membership setup, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with registering for USAA military insurance membership, first, visit the official USAA website. Look for the Join USAA button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on the button to initiate the membership registration process. You will be directed to a page where you'll need to provide basic personal information. Fill in your first and last name in the designated fields. Next, enter your date of birth to verify your eligibility. Select your military affiliation from the available options. This could include active duty, retired, or an eligible family member. After that, provide your Social Security number for identity verification. This step ensures the security of your account during the registration process. Proceed to enter your contact information, including your email address and phone number. Choose a secure password for your account, following the guidelines provided. Once all required fields are filled out, review your information for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Continue button. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a confirmation email or a text message. Check your email or phone for a verification code to proceed. Input the code when prompted to confirm your identity. After verification, you will be guided to set up your insurance preferences. Fill out the necessary information regarding your insurance needs. Proceed to review your choices and adjust as necessary before finalizing your membership. Once satisfied, submit your application for USAA membership. You'll receive a confirmation of your registration via email shortly after. Log into your new account to explore the insurance products and services available to you. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the user interface and options offered. If you have questions during the process, consider contacting USAA customer service for assistance. Now you are ready to manage your military insurance membership with USAA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.